am Jadeu, and I am student from Bahasa Informatica Universities, majoring in Information System.
Hello everyone, I'm Nafasha Tardewi and I'm very happy to be here today. Thank you for inviting me.
You're welcome. Today we're going to discuss a topic that is very important in the world of information technology, which is computer network. In the second part of our podcast, we'll switch roles and continue with another exciting topic, artificial intelligence.
That sounds interesting. I'm excited to share some information today.
Great. Let's begin with a simple question. What is computer network?
Thank you for the question. A computer network is group of two or more computer or electronic devices that are connected to each other. This device communicated by sending and receiving data. A computer network allow users to share information, files, printers, software, and internet connection efficiently.
So, whenever we use Wi-Fi to connect our laptops or smartphone to the internet, we are actually using a computer network.
Exactly. Most people use computer network every day without realizing it. When you send a message through WhatsApp, upload assignment to Google Classroom, attend online classing using Zoom, or watch video on YouTube, you're using a computer network.
That's true. I think many students experience that during online learning.
Yes, especially during the pandemic, computer networks became essential because they allowed students and teachers to continue learning from different locations.
That's very a good point. Now, can you explain the different types of computer network?
Of course, there are three common types of computer networks. The first one is LAN or a local area network. A LAN covers small areas such as a classroom, office, laboratory, or home. It is fast, reliable, and easy to manage. The second type is MAN, which stands for Metropolitan Area Network. This type connects multiple LANs across a city or a large campus. For example, several university buildings can be connected through a MAN. The third type is WAN or Wide Area Network. This network covers a very large geographical area, connecting cities, countries, or even continents. The biggest example of a WAN is the Internet.
That's easy to understand. So basically, the difference between LAN, MAN, and WAN is the size of the area they cover.
Exactly, the larger the coverage area, the more complex the network becomes.
Besides computer, that devices are needed to build a network.
There are several important networking devices. The first is a router. A router connects different networks and directs data to the correct destination. It also allows multiple devices to share one internet connection. The second device is switch. A switch connects computer within the same network and helps data reach the correct device efficiently. Another important device is modem. A modem connects your home or office network to your internet service provider. Finally, we have wireless access point, which provide Wi-Fi so users can connect without cables.
That's very informative. I often hear the words router and modem, but now I understand their different functions.
Many people think they are the same, but actually they have different jobs in a network.
Now I like to ask about network topology. What it is? What is it?
Network topology is the way devices are arranged and connected in a network. There are several common topologies, such as star, bus, ring, and mesh. The star topology is the most popular because every device is connected to a central switch. It is easy to manage and troubleshoot. The bus topology uses one main cable to connect all devices. It is simple but less reliable. The ring topology connects devices in a circular pattern. Meanwhile, the mesh topology connects every device to multiple other devices, making it very reliable but also more expensive.
Interesting. So choosing the right topology depends on the needs and budget of an organization.
That's correct.
Besides communication, what are the main advantages of computer network?
There are many advantages. First, they allow people to communicate quickly through email, messaging application, and video conferencing. Second, they enable resource sharing. Multiple users can share printers, storage device, and internet access. Third, they improve collaboration. Employees and students can work together even if they are in different locations. Finally, network make it easier to access cloud device, service, online database, and digital learning platforms.
Those benefits explain why almost every company and university depends on computer networks today.
Absolutely. Without component networks, many modern business and educational activities will not be possible.
Of course, every technology has challenges. What are some problems in computer network?
One of the biggest challenges is network security. Hackers might try to steal information, spread malware, or attack system. Another challenge is network failure is if the internet connection is interrupted. Communication and business operation may stop temporarily. There is also the issues of maintenance. Networks need regular updates and monitoring and to keep them running smoothly.
So, can we do to improve network security?
We should use strong password, install antivirus software, update operating system regularly, use firewalls, and avoid clicking suspicious links or downloading files from unknown sources.
That's useful advice, especially for students who spend a lot of time online. Before we continue to our next topic, do you have a final message about computer networks?
Yes, computer networks are the foundation of today's digital world. They allow us to communicate, study, work, and access information from anywhere. As information system students, understanding computer network is essential because almost every information system depends on a reliable and secure network.
Thank you very much for excellent explanation. I learned a lot today.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure.
In the next part of our podcast, we'll switch roles and continue our discussion with another exciting topic, artificial intelligence. Don't go anywhere.
See you in the next segment.
Welcome back, everyone. Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for
staying
staying
with
with us.
us.
In the first part of our podcast, we talk about computer networks and learn how networks connect devices and make communication possible. Now, as promised, we are going to switch role. I'll be your host for this session, and our previous host will become today guest speaker. Welcome.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here again, and I'm excited to discuss another fascinating topic, artificial intelligence or AI.
Artificial intelligence has become one of the most popular technologies today. Before we go deeper, could you explain what artificial intelligence actually is?
Certainly, artificial intelligence or AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machine and computer systems that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. These tasks include learning from data, solving problems, recognizing image, understanding human language, making decisions, and even creating new content. In simple words, AI enables computers to think, learn, and assist humans in completing different kinds of work.
That's a very clear explanation. Many people use AI every day, but they may not realize it. Could you give us some example?
Of course, AI is already part of our daily lives. When we unlock our smartphone using facial recognition, AI is working. When Netflix or YouTube recommends movies and videos based on our interests, AI is analyzing our preference. Google Maps uses AI to recommend the fastest route based on traffic conditions. Online shopping platforms suggest products that match our previous researches. Virtual assistants such as Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa also use AI to understand voice command and answer questions. And of course, AI chatbot like ChatGPT help people Learn, write, solve problems, and find information more efficiently.
That's amazing. I didn't realize that I was involved in so many applications. Now, many people hear the terms machine learning and deep learning. What do they mean?
Great question. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows computers to learn from data without being directly programmed for every task. Instead of following fixed instructions, the computer identifies patterns and improves its performance over time. For example, an email application learns which messages are spam based on previous example. Deep learning is more advanced form of machine learning. It uses artificial neural networks that are inspired by the human brain. Deep learning is especially useful for recognizing speech, translating language, detecting objects in image, and generating realistic text or image.
So, deep learning is one of the technologies that makes modern AI much smarter.
Exactly. Thanks to deep learning, AI can perform tasks that were once considered very difficult for computers.
That's impressive. Now, let's talk about education. As university students, how can AI help us in our studies?
AI offers many benefits for the student. It can help explain difficult concepts in a simple way. AI can assist with a grammar correction, translation, and writing practice. Students can use AI to summarize articles, organize study schedule, and prepare presentation. However, AI should be used as a learning assistant, not as replacement for our own thinking. We still need to we still need to understand the material, check information carefully, and complete our assignment honestly.
I completely agree. AI should support learning, not replace it. Besides education, how is AI used in business and healthcare?
AI is transforming many industries. In business, companies use AI to analyze customer behavior, predict sales improve, marketing strategies, and provide customer service through chatbots. In healthcare, AI helps doctors analyze medical image, detect disease earlier, support diagnosis, and even assist in developing new medicine. Banks use AI to detect suspicious transactions and reduce fraud. Factories use AI-powered robots to improve production efficiency. Even agriculture uses AI to monitor crops and predict harvest conditions.
It seems AI has become useful in almost every field. But every technology has challenges. What are some concerns about AI?
You are right, although AI provides many advantages, it also creates several challenges. Our concern is privacy. AI systems often require a large amount of data, including personal information. Another concern is job automation. Some repetitive jobs may be replaced by machines, meaning workers need to develop new skills. AI can also maybe stay if it's trained using in network or biased data. Finally, there are ethical issues. People should use AI responsibly and should not it to spread misinformation, create fake content, or violate someone's privacy.
Those are very important points. Responsible use of AI is just as important as developing the technology itself. Now, I'd like to connect today two topics. What is the relationship between computer network and artificial intelligence?
That's an excellent question. Computer network and artificial intelligence work together in many ways. Computer networks allow devices to communicate and exchange information. AI use the data transmitted through those networks to make intelligent decisions. For example, smart home use networks to connect devices like cameras, light, and sensors while AI analyze the collected data to automate daily activities. Another example is self-driving cars. They rely on networks to communicate with closed service and GPS system, while AI processes information from camera and sensor to make driving decisions. Without reliable computer networks, AI systems would have difficult accessing real-time data. Likewise, AI help improve network performance by detecting cyber attacks, optimizing traffic, and predicting network problems before they happen.
That's a perfect explanation. So, computer network provides the connection and AI provides the intelligence.
They complement each other, are becoming increasingly important in today's digital world.
Before we end today's podcast, do you have a final message for our listener?
Yes, technology continues to develop rapidly, and two of the most important technologies are computer network and artificial intelligence. As an information student, learning these subjects will help us understand how modern technology works and prepare us for future careers. We should continue learning, improving our digital skill, and using technology responsibly to create positive solutions for the society.
Thank you very much for sharing your knowledge and insights today. It has been a very informative discussion.
Thank you. I really enjoyed our conversation and I hope our listening found it useful as well.
And thank you to everyone who listened to our podcast from beginning to end. We hope today's discussion helped you understand more about computer network and artificial intelligence and how these two technologies work together to shape the future uh, of our digital world.
Keep learning, stay curious, and never stop exploring technology.
See you in another podcast.
Thank you for
Yeah.
listening.
Goodbye,
Goodbye,
everyone.
everyone.